Welcome to Tech
bro.
Neil.
Right.
Tech with Neil.
Technically.
Tech.
Technically, bro.
Technically. Oh my God. Yo! Technically.
What are you guys talking about? Technically, Technil. Ano
Tech
yan?
Neil.
Technically.
Siyempre,
Ano niya?
tech reviewer pre.
Tech
What
channel
the
niya.
fuck?
Tech Neil.
Tech deals, technicality.
So
tips.
what brought this upon the world, Chris? I mean, Neil. Ay, ano yan? Bakit ka naglagay ng Technil? Ay, gumawa ng Technil channel?
Di mo ba nakita yung ano niya? Ang
yung
genius.
mga brands
Akala ka
kasi,
ba,
Ang genius na ginawa niya dun eh.
bakit? Sige nga.
Yung
go
ROG
ahead.
phone.
Go ahead. Bago kita barahin na dapat basketball ka lang. Huwag ka na
Hey!
masyado.
kasi yung mga brands daw,
Aha.
pag nakikita yung page ko,
Aha.
puro basketball
Oh.
Exactly.
na lang ang nakikita.
Oh.
So,
Hindi nila ma-integrate yung...
yung... nagano ko integrate kung parang kung about tech, about games. So, gumawa akong about tech, solely
Bakit?
for tech.
Mahilig ka ba sa tech?
Sa FB?
Yes, sa FB. Yes, FB.
Really? Mahilig ka sa tech?
TikTok.
Sige nga.
Yeah.
Sell me that keyboard behind me right now. Sell it to me right now. Sige nga. Paano mo?
May keyboard ka ba ngayon?
Hindi, yung keyboard sa likod mo. There's like literally a keyboard
may keyboard
behind
ka ba
me.
ngayon?
May keyboard ako ngayon. It's
Ba't kita
ito.
pagbebentan, may keyboard ka na?
That's it. Kaya nga, bentahan mo nga ako.
Ba't kita bebentan, may
Wala
keyboard ka
to,
na?
puta ngayon na.
Tangan na to ni Trident.
Wala
Button
to, bro.
Zero.
Wala. Tingnan mo to, tech brands Hindi niya kayang ibenta yung yung mga keyboards niyo. Siyempre, kailangan ko ipakita kung bakit maganda yung keyboard nila para palitan ko yung keyboard ko.
Oo nga,
Tama?
paano mako-convert into
Oo.
buyers yung mga viewers?
Okay?
How do you convert someone like me who has a keyboard to buy their keyboard? Because everyone has a fucking keyboard right now, di ba?
Yes.
So what makes your
it
keyboard?
depends on your needs. Do you need the keyboard?
Yeah, okay, go.
na walang numpad and you can bring anywhere every day at the rest of your life?
Yes.
Sounds gay.
Tapos,
I can recommend you this keyboard.
Wow! So ano yung keyboard na yan, Neil? What's
This
in
keyboard
it?
is 75% keyboard. Wala siyang
Whoa.
numpad. So, mas space-savior. Tama? Space-savior. And still, wireless. Wireless siya.
Wow, wireless.
Pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit sa CR ka.
Whoa, why would
kahit
you even
saan?
use that sa CR mo? Pero okay.
I know, right? And the best thing is, Chris, pakita mo yung keyboard mo.
Okay, go. Chris is showing
Pero
his
si
keyboard.
Chris!
Has the same
Oh,
keyboard.
damn! Chris has the same keyboard.
Yeah!
Ain't no way! Wala na, I'm sold, bro. I am sold. Holy shit. That's it. Chris uses the same keyboard. Say no more, fam.
Converted. Bang!
Nah, bro. I could have solved it better. Tech brands, ganito. Pakita mo yun. Iangat mo yung keyboard na yan. Iangat mo yung keyboard na yan. Iangat mo yung keyboard mo. Hindi, yung actual keyboard. Iangat mo. Pakita mo. To our Spotify listeners kung meron man kayo, he's putting up a keyboard. It looks hella nice. Black and white. Now, my dear viewers and listeners, do you see that circle thing on the top left of the keyboard? Yeah, that's called a knob. A volume knob. Now look at your
Yes.
keyboard right now. Does it have a volume knob?
No.
Exactly. Boom! Putang ina. Volume
bro.
knob, bro.
You gave
Yeah,
them
They're gonna wanna buy
a
it
problem.
because of the volume knob, bro.
Dahil
Kasi wala silang volume knob.
Tama.
Kaya,
Binigyan
diba?
mo sila ng problema kasi
Problem, exactly.
ng solution agad, di ba?
Yeah, so
Yes.
na-FOMO sila. Oh my God, my keyboard does not have a fucking volume knob. Ain't no way. I gotta buy that keyboard. Magkano yan, Neil? Magkano yung keyboard na yan? Try, Neil.
4,000 pesos.
Wow! Ain't no way! Grabe! O, diba? See, that's how you...
Ano to pre-promotion?
O, diba?
Ay, shout out to Royal Clutch.
Ngayon, yung mga tech, di mo na kailangan ng tech, Neil. Bakit? Because Pinoy's Podcast can now promote your tech brand here in the podcast!
Let's
Diba?
go!
Let's go! Yeah,
PR Tech, man.
yeah,
Oh my
get
God. Ain't no way.
Send this to all the tech brands out there. Sabihin nyo, oh, di ba? Podcast peeps. Yan, oh. Diba?
Ain't
See?
no
The
way.
Ain't no way, bro. See, I just promoted, we just promoted the keyboard. Now, ang dami na mag-ano yan.
Anong keyboard yan,
diba?
no? Anong keyboard
Tulad
yan?
nito, ito. Tulad nitong TT Racing. Does it?
Whoa!
Look at this.
Tama.
This freaking ergonomic chair. Oh my God. Look, Chris,
Pag
you also
nagkaroon
have
ka
one
na
as
to,
well?
So, have one.
Grabe.
Magiging si Luffy ka. Oh my God.
Hey, see, TT Racing, man.
Ain't no way, bro.
Awesome chair. I've been using this chair since like for a month now. Ayun. Very nice. It's like pumunta kayo sa showroom nila. If you guys, ito ang best way to like promote the chair. You go to their showroom sa BGC ba yun? Alright, or find someone who has this, sit on it, and that's it. You don't, no questions asked, mako-convert ka. Okay, there's just something about this chair that's different.
Taka na makakatulog ka
it.
dito, gago.
Yeah.
Damn, ang topic pala natin ngayon is brand deals and...
No, not really.
diba?
I'm just saying na we can
Ano
do that.
Segment lang siya sa TechNeil. Kasi binuksan ng TechNeil.
Sa TechNeil. Punta na kayo sa TechNeil.
O kaya
I know
kung gusto
it,
kung gusto ng lolo niya na parang diduyan pero ayaw nung kahoy. Pwede to, like, di ba?
No, diba? Exactly.
Ain't no way.
Ito ba, bro? Like so many people are probably watching us, like, thinking like, kung may mga, ano kaya masasuggest nila? I don't care about chairs or keyboards. Gloko, boys, tell me where to buy my Magic the Gathering cards. Aba po, syempre doon kayo sa mga pinupuntahan namin. Kung nasa Pampanga ka,
Sa akin.
alam na, saan? Sa Rogues Passage.
Rogues
Kung taga San
Passage.
Fernando kayo. Kung taga Angeles kayo, may mugs and ano. Oh, di ba?
Ang galing.
Kung nagkikrave kayo ng burger, pumunta kayo sa...
Inang promotion yan.
I'm just thinking like if ever like a burger establishment like ask us to promote their burger place, kaya natin, man.
Oh, Minute Burger. alam mo
Baga
na.
burger.
Yeah.
Grilled burger.
Diba?
Oh
I know,
my
right?
God.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Taas, tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Alright.
But wait.
Okay.
Wait. Nasasagap ako sa ano natin.
Oh, ano yan? Ano yung
Ting.
trial?
Pag ginamit daw nila yung link natin, meron silang discount na 2,000 pesos sa TT
Wait,
Racing.
What are we talking? TT Racing.
Oh
Damn,
my
we totally
gosh.
missed the opportunity to do that. To be honest.
Ito na
Kasi we're talking MTG.
sabi
na.
nga lang.
Wala, we missed. Sorry, brands. Wala kailangan pa namin ng improvement doon. Yeah. Anyways, yun lang. Guys. Damn. Oh, and welcome, by the way, to the weekly podcast. Weekly pa ba to? Weekly pa ba to?
Yes.
Of course, it
Yes.
always has been. Always has been. Am I right, boys? Am I right, boys? I don't even know what episode of the podcast this is anymore.
69.
Whatever. Kung 69 man to. Welcome,
50.
guys. Welcome, boys. My name is Gloko. I'm here with the boys again. And kulang tayo ng isa, which is si Ken, kasi nasa Olonga po siya
Olonga po siya.
ngayon.
Tama.
He's trying to rush to get here, to go back here. So, safe trip to paring Ken. Alright, so kamusta kayo, guys? Let's start with Trinew. Kasi mukhang ang sigla mo ngayon. Grabe, what's going on, man?
Ayos lang.
Inang yan.
That's not your line, bro.
Sorry,
That is
hindi ko
not
pala
your
line, bro.
Man, people are still getting caught. See? Tangina, dapat ready na kayo sa mga nangyayari.
Siguro, goods naman.
That's not... No.
Kailangan ba mahaba?
Not really. Give us some deets, bro. Like, what's going on with you?
Nakasettle na ako dito.
Nice. Mhm.
Siyempre. And buti na lang, may mga renovations na kinakaya.
Nice. Very good.
And yun, it's good. Nagagamit na lagi yung bike. Pag lalabas, andyan agad yung Shopee. So, hindi
Wow.
na lalabas ng lalakad hanggang gate.
Mhm.
So, life is, is chill.
Life could be dream, bro.
Nakakapagbola tuwing hapon
Okay.
hanggang gabi. Nakakapag-bike.
Mhm.
Nasabi ko na ata yun.
Yes.
Kasi nung andyan ako, di ko malabas yung bike eh.
Oo.
Paglabas pa lang ng bike, parang gusto ko nang ibalik ulit. So, yun. All goods. Kayo.
Alam mo para tangina bigla kang inambush interview. Putang ina makasagot yan. Yan. Ay nako. Sino kaya? Roll initiative. Psh, boom. Chris.
Buhay pa.
How's life, Chris?
Buhay pa ako.
Nice. Amazing.
Tang-
Is that all you wanted to say?
Tayo na.
Did you want to say anything else about your life right now?
Binurnat ako ng trabaho ko last week. Putang ina.
Inano ka sa ano? What?
Binurnat ako ng corpo job ko last week.
Nirate siya.
Okay.
Putang ina.
That's fine, bro.
That was
Okay. We listen here, we don't judge.
Tama.
Don't judge.
Tangina, paki yung content producer namin.
Wow! Galing ngayon!
So,
Content
mas gina-clip
producer ko.
Dito
Fuck
na-
you ka
di-
pala eh.
Dito na ako magrarant. Paki yung content producer namin.
Fuck you ka pala. Content
Sige,
producer
bakit,
ko
Chris?
eh.
Bakit, Chris?
Bakit, Chris? Bakit?
Bakit?
Di ba, may pinapagawang concept sa akin. So, yan. So, ginawa ko yung concept. So, sobrang daming revisions ang pinagawa na dun sa concept na yan. Naka 19 revisions ako. Tangina, dalawa.
Wow.
Parang kahapon lang na-approve para ma-resize yun. Puta na.
Damn.
Alam mo yung isa dun sa alam mo yung isa sa
Wait.
revisions.
Okay, what's the revision? Sige nga.
Yung isa sa revisions is like, gawin ko daw word by word yung yung captions. Like, yung every
Oh,
word
shit.
magpa-pop in.
You can just CapCut that shit, bro.
Exactly.
Yeah, but the thing is that we cannot use CapCut kasi
Kasi,
we are all using kasi for example, kailangan
Adobe.
Yung
kailangan
file.
'di ba sabihin natin wala ako, kailangan
Yung edit file.
Yung edit file iba yung magte-take over. Kailangan talaga
pinapasa.
Oo.
Okay, here's the thing, Chris.
Damn.
I can teach you something, okay? Di ba sa CapCut,
Oh shit.
kung pro ka, i-render mo rin, i-export mo rin yung SRT nung captions. Ngayon, pwede mo
So,
siya
like,
i-import
it's the
sa...
subtitle files.
Yes.
Oo.
Premiere.
So, pwede mo
So you
gawin
don't
yan
do that?
next time.
You don't
Pwede mo
do
gawin.
that?
Pwede mo
Yes.
gawin next
Hindi,
time. I'm just suggesting, ha? I'm
Ganun
just
talaga.
suggesting.
Yeah,
Oh.
ganun talaga.
You can do that
Damn.
next time, bro. I'm just saying.
Anyways.
Continue with the run.
Anyways, yun nga yung ginagawa sa nagreklamo na ako sa
HR.
sa AP ko. Sabi ko,
Okay,
what the
okay.
fuck is this? I mean, hindi naman ganito yung gawa dun sa last parang refresh concept kasi yun.
Mhm.
So hindi naman yung ginawa, pero gawin ko na lang daw. Sabi ko, okay, ginawa ko. So, ayan. Nung nagawa ko na, puta nga na ang dami pinababago. It's like back and forth of revisions. Parang, I've already did this in the past revisions. Na ngayon, pinababalik nila ulit. Tapos,
I hate that shit.
yeah, I fucking hate that shit. Hanggang sa, di ba nag-leave ako ng Friday? Nag-leave pala ako ng Sabado ng midnight. Buti na lang, wala ako dun. Kasi dun talaga raw, nagkaroon ng parang ang daming revisions dun sa isang concept na yun. Tapos dun sa brand din na yun. Sabi nga ng senior editor ko, buti daw wala ako nun. Tapos kahapon, nung yung final revisions na, sabi ko, putang ina, di ako tantanan ng putang ina concept na to. Last one na. Like, account na yung
Final.
yung parang account na yung magre-review para ma-approve na. Biglang nag-chat sa akin yung AP ko, yung associate producer ko, sabi daw, check the comments daw. Wag daw ako magugulat. alam niya na kung ano magiging reaction ko pag nakita ko yung comments. Yung isang comment nakalagay, yung captions daw, i-phrase ko na lang daw.
Utang ng power trip yan. Kaya, you know what?
Anong video yun?
It actually looks good.
Na-upload na ba?
Before. Can you put it back? And
Like
re-render it?
hindi, content producer kasi yung iba yung accounts. Yung content producer yung nag-suggest na i-word by word ko. Pero, after all this time, sa dami-dami ng
na-check?
revisions, kasi pinaltan pa rin yung talent doon, kaya sobrang daming revisions. Yung nag-reshoot, nagbagong talent. Tapos binago
Oh
ko na
my
naman
God.
yung isa-isang kasi bagong
Oh my
script na naman.
God.
Tapos yun pala yung magiging kalabasan sa bandang huli. If-phrase ko rin pala sabi ko, puta, nyo.
You know what? Just, make a copy next time of like everything you're doing. Para just in
Rev
case,
1, Rev 2.
just in case na
Oh,
putang
yeah,
ina,
I do.
pinabalik nila,
I do.
just give it
I
to
do
them.
have it. It's in the company file, but for contract, I cannot show it.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot.
Alright. Damn. So okay na, tapos na, na-approve
tapos
na
So
yung...
basically, ngayong May, hopefully ngayong May, luckily that specific brand,
Nagpagawa nun.
No. That specific brand is going away from our team. So
Nice.
parang sinabi na, don't worry about guys. It's not about your output kung ba't mawawala sa atin yung yung brand brand designation.
Anong brand yan?
I'm not gonna disclose it.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro.
I'm not gonna
Pati
disclose
tayo
it.
maano, okay?
Chat it to
Brand
GC.
daw. Yung brand
So anyway, so the brand.
Don't worry. Hindi kayo yung problema kung ba't nawawala tong brand sa inyo. Parang i-assign lang dun sa lesser, sa lesser team. So, you're good. Tapos sabi ko, my honest reaction, nagsa-celebrate ako na wala. Yeah! Like, everyone lahat ng editor may problema dun sa brand na yun. Kaya, tuwan-tuwa rin sila na nawala sa team namin yung brand na yun. It's like, oh, fucking hell.
Let's just give this brand to the lower beings, okay, so that they can get
Jesus
trained. Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Good for you.
Fine.
Good for you,
Yeah.
Chris. Good for you.
Fucking hell.
That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
It is
I hate
crazy.
that. That's crazy, bro.
Akala ko kasi problema ni Chris is yung magko-concept. Like, kayo pa, sa inyo pa ibibigay yun. It's kinda fucked up,
No.
Hindi, ang trabaho lang namin as editor na sa company ko
Yan nga.
is bali yung content producer, siya yung magpo-provide ng footage, ng script, tapos post-production kami yung mag-i-edit nung ginawa ng CP, tapos i-review nila, dadaan sa strategy team, pagkatapos sa strategy team, dadaan sa accounts, pagkadaan sa accounts, sa client na yun.
So that's the hierarchy, guys, of Chris's job. Okay. So alam niyo na.
Daming dadaanan na.
Huwag kayong mag-take ng mga editor kung ayaw niyo maging Chris. Damn, Chris. I hope everything's worth it, man.
Tana.
So,
I'm
at least
gonna ask
ngayong
for
May-
a higher salary pagkatapos
You should.
ng contract ko. Tana.
You should.
You should, bro.
man.
You should, bro. For your MTG, bro. For your MTG.
Tama.
For your new
Tama.
commander decks, bro.
Tama.
Razer yung Razer Kitsune ko, it's still available. 11
Ayan,
case.
still available daw, guys, sa lahat ng nanonood.
Technil. Dapat paano mo yan
Technil.
ipopromote
So
Technil?
if you're looking for a premium controller,
You already lost me at premium, bro. I don't have money, bro.
11K
A budget.
lang. Original
Okay, ito.
original price
Ikaw nga,
nito,
Chris, sige.
21K. Okay. It's ergonomic, it's sleek, it's light,
and
and
ginamit siya ni Chris.
yeah.
Ano ginamit siya ni Chris?
May libag siya ni
There you
Chris.
go.
Dahil dito nakapag ako.
Yan yung tumalo sa amin sa Fatal Fury.
Tama.
Yes.
Yeah, that thing
Dahil
right
dito sa
there.
controller na to, nakakapag-perfect electric ako ng 5 beses.
Yes, sa Tekken.
Yeah,
Kasi
sige,
durog
sa
yan.
Flex, bro.
Durian.
That's how easy it is.
Bilhin nyo na. This is like, para sa inyo, 10K. I'm gonna sign sa back.
Oh, may sign pa.
Nag-assign. Siyempre, sa hindi ni Trinil yan at
Kasi
ni
hindi
John.
na try nilo.
Diba? See that?
So, bilhin nyo.
And
Added value.
if
black
naghahanap
marker.
talaga kayo nung Kitsune, di ba? Kitsune controller. Alaga naman ni Chris yan. Hindi niya ibebenta yan kung hindi niya kailangan yung money.
Tama.
Kailangan ko lang
Tama.
talaga ng
So,
ng paprikod.
sobrang niya yan. Kung wala akong controller, bibiling ko yun. Meron
Tama.
Kung
Sayang.
meron kayong Necron Dynasties na precon, okay.
Yun lang.
Yun lang. Doon tayo nadali.
Doon tayo nadali. Binibenta nga natin.
Kung meron din kayong precon, di ba? Easy.
There you go. Card shops, hit us up. You want to trade? Man, what is wrong with this podcast, bro? Man, we glazing everyone, bro.
We are glazing everyone.
Glazing everyone. Speaking of glazing, bro, how about you, John? Have you been glazing anything lately?
Yes.
What is your glazing, bro? What is you glazing?
Actually, in-invite ako ng GF ko.
Oh, damn.
I went to my first ever Filipino musical, bro.
Hey,
Damn!
no way. Musical
God
kid, theater kid ka.
damn.
Hey, no. What was the musical about, bro?
It was Delia D ang pangalan. You know, it's like
D.
ano siya, Jonathan Manalo, tama ba?
Jonathan Manalo. Sounds familiar, bro.
Yeah, it's,
Jonathan Manalo. Dunk it,
So,
Jonathan.
the musical
So
was
what is he?
based on mga songs na sinulat niya, basically. So,
Like what?
Yung mga team ng Pinoy Big Brother, mga ganun.
Yung Pinoy ka. Wait, what?
Alam
Di
mo
ba
yung ano,
Orange and Lemons yun?
No, he composed it. Kinanta lang ng banda.
Okay.
So there are like
Composer
Yeah,
siya.
this guy
that
seems
was
to
kinda
be,
buzzing
you know, he's a big composer din kasi
Big time.
So,
Okay.
pagbigyang muli, siya kumanta.
Mhm.
Kabatang Pinoy nais. I don't even know what the hell these songs are. Like.
Kabataang Pinoy, ipakita mo, Pinoy ako, Pinoy siya.
Basta yun, you know. It was nice, bro.
Nagloko yun.
Di ba Pinoy tayo yun?
Siyempre, tayo na.
was nice. It was nice.
It was nice.
Enjoyed it. Pumunta kami sa gala night. So first time ko nag-suit ulit ako.
Damn, John in a suit. Oh shit.
I was like, okay, this is a new environment kasi siya eh. I mean, it's yung kasi siya, yung circle niya is more of like yung mga yun nga ABS, yung mga ganon, yung mga news outlet. Andun nga sila Vice, sila Ryan Bang andun eh. It's like pwede mo kalabitin like, hey, what up?
I hate you.
Alam mo yun siya saying? Tinignan ko kasi like it's different kasi sa nakasanayan natin when we go sa mga events natin, di ba? Like yung industry ng gaming and stuff.
Puta, pag-gusto pala siya si John eh.
So like what's the vibe there compared sa like yung usual gaming stuff na pinapuntahan natin?
Luxurious,
like, how the vibe, bro?
Like like parang ibang level. Parang may aura sila. Everyone's like aura farming. Yeah. Everyone's aura farming, bro. May mga boy groups like, I don't know who that.
Meanwhile, si John nandun. Like, yung sa corner namin, like, they don't know I'm Pinoy's place.
They don't know I'm Pinoy's place. Legit, ganun ako dun, pre. It was so crazy, bro.
Damn, bro.
So, like, maganda naman yung musical. It's about, like, this gay drag queen. Basically.
It's gay drag queen.
You could just call them drag queens.
No, you got
it's a man?
Sugar?
No,
so it's a man?
You have to be specific kasi you can be a drag queen pero straight ka pa rin, di ba?
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Wait, is that how it works? Can you be a drag queen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Sige.
Nakikita mo
Like,
ba
gay, tapos drag queen ka. So, you're a man.
What?
Huh?
So, 1 + 1 equals...
No, you idiot!
No, you stupid shit.
Ayun naman, shout out sa mga nanonood ng mga...
So you can do drag while even though you're straight or bi.
Like, you just like the
you just like to like dress up.
Yung sa Bulaga, sino yun?
Si Paulo.
Oh.
So he's just a drag queen. Hindi siya.
Just straight. He's straight.
There are gay people na may anak, Chris. Okay. Yeah. Like, anyways, I don't think we're the right people to ask about this, but
it was fun though. It was
Yun natingin ko.
Alright, that's fine. Okay, anyway, so alright, tapos
it was so fun.
It was about a drag queen, a gay drag queen.
Yeah.
And then
Ayun lang, like a really fun story, like I think it captures yung parang how certain personalities is as celebrity na akala niya siya yung may control ng success niya, but in reality just people who has more power than you controlling your success.
Whoa.
It's like, parang lang speedrun lang, sumali siya sa singing contest. Mas maganda boses nung kalaban niya. Pero since madadaanan natin. Since yung kalaban niya mahiyain, like this person can't sell our products, kasi wala siyang aura, parang ganun. So, ito na lang papanalo natin kasi kaya niyang mag-convert ng viewers, listeners into buyers, tama?
Wow.
Into customers.
So parang like kasi dahil may charisma points yung protagonist or yung mas pipiliin siya. So yun yung factor na parang bakit hindi siya napili, magaling naman siya yung so it's like yung alam mo yung what the fuck yung pinanood natin na that Nissan GT shit Academy movie.
Gran Turismo movie.
Okay. And then they were like, he has the fastest fucking lap in qualifying. However, wala siyang media training and all that shit. Is it okay?
Oh, gano. Yeah.
Napaka-stupid ng putang ng plot nun. Tanga na 6 seconds gap. Nahabol niya ng isang lap. How is that possible?
Chris knows, bro, kasi he race, bro. He's a racist.
Putang ina. 6 seconds gap. He fucking did it in 1 lap. What the fuck is that shit?
It's for dramatization, no?
Nobody cares about that. Okay? Nobody. You're the only one who fucking pointed that out, Chris.
So stupid, man. I hate that.
Hindi na panood din nil.
So that's what do you call that? Parang may term ba doon? Yung parang palakasan ng kapit.
Nepotism.
Like nepotism is more of, hindi ba nepotism is, correct me if I'm wrong, like it's more of like family ties yung nepotism.
No, not really.
Like,
it's basically
or is it because like parang connections lang talaga? Like dahil malakas ka sa gagong to, may nakakapasok, may backer ka.
It's considered nepotism din.
Damn. So yeah, entertainment industry is kinda fucked.
Is politics, man, it's business.
It's business, basically.
Yeah,
Totoo. Like, okay, mas lamang ka nga sa boses, pero like, if you can't sell it because you don't have like a nice personality or
charisma,
personalities, then, ayun, mas pipiliin nila yung ano. So, they're just weighing their options.
Oo, makes sense rin naman na hindi lang naman sa boses. Which is, tama rin naman. Diba? Kahit sobrang ganda ng boses mo, pero hanggang dun ka lang.
Pag hindi mo na ma-market yung sarili mo.
Now, think about it, pag inisip nyo mabuti, yung may mga ganong shows dito sa Pilipinas, diba? Like PBB. Diba? Makes you think.
What are you trying to say here?
Makes you think,
Dahil na parang kaya sila pinapasok kasi they have the charisma and the ano.
No, like by the parang who knows, bro, baka before pa nag-start yung mismong season na yun, decided na sino mananalo.
Oh yeah, that does happen.
Just you, he's just Yuri. Filmed you.
Oh my god, dude,
bro,
I could literally shit on PBB, like all the nuances of PBB, pero kasi of all the things na nahagap ko, like I literally I've already interacted and talked to like people who were previous housemates. Oh my god. Anyways, wala lang. I'm not gonna talk about it.
Basta yun lang na just ano.
No. Ito lang. Whatever you're thinking right now about PBB, you're probably right. You're probably right.
Gagi, binibidyon ba sa loob ng CR? Putang ina.
Oh no!
Joke lang.
I can't believe that's your takeaway.
No, naman nakita akong post na gano'n.
I can't believe that's your takeaway from it.
Just people being weird.
But you can't deny PBB is hella entertaining somehow. Okay.
Especially yung wife ko.
Dude, if you just shut your brain and diba? See, if you just shut, it's like, sige, sabihin na lang natin, it's like WWE for
WWE.
It's like WWE for like average Filipino people. Okay?
Bakit pinagtutulungan nila si Mika? Bakit nila
kasi siya yung heel.
Threat
siya yung heel,
assessment.
siya yung face, siya yung may kayfabe. Okay. So, if you look at it that way, if you just look at it that way, you're gonna enjoy PBB. Ganun lang. Ganun lang naman. It's not for everyone, but that's one way to look at everything.
Pero laki rin yung kinikita nila sa ano, no?
Medyo fucked up nga
sa
lang yung
voting.
parang yung recent na nangyayari na ano yan, let's say for example, there was this one issue with, I don't know kung sino yun, because I don't watch, but there was this one contestant na may ano daw, yung aso daw niya, parang only has like 24 hours left to live. And hindi alam nung housemate na yan na yun yung condition nung aso. Pero parang pinopost nung nanay or something like that. And then parang binibeg ng mga tao, can Kuya or PBB give her like one last moment, just to see the dog, which is totally reasonable, diba? It's totally reasonable to do that. Kasi dati naman yung mga first seasons ng PBB, inaalaw naman pag may emergency, bina-blindfold lang yung housemate, and then pinapapunta kung saan man to visit someone. Okay lang yun. So but ang nangyari daw, namatay na yung aso, hindi daw napagbigyan yung and then people are like so so
sa kanya lang nakita yung
and
aso.
depressed. So hindi na nakita. And
nakita niya na nung na.
Patay na.
Pinalabas siya nung
Nung patay na.
That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
Imagine that.
That's crazy, bro.
Imagine,
Ayun. I mean, I don't know ano yung pumapasok sa PBB to like do that or to like make decisions like that, pero I don't know, yun lang. Kasi the thing about reality shows dito sa Pilipinas, to give you parang sabihin na lang natin na di ba sa wrestling, like sabihin na lang natin na parang okay, scripted nga yung mga mangyayari and all that, pero yung the action, the pain and some of the stuff is pretty much like hindi scripted, like it's all impromptu and the risks are real, kumbaga. So reality shows, when it comes to reality shows here in the Philippines, there's some parang may guidelines lang, and then they're like working on it. So it's like kind of like D&D in some way. Yeah, that's one way.
So game master si Kuya.
Hindi si Kuya, yung hindi yung buong ABS-CBN yung DM.
May mga writers sila.
Game master nga si Kuya kasi siya yung director ng show.
Yeah. Basta, I can't really get into too much details about it.
Basta yun,
that's just one way to put it. But yeah.
Pinaka na-enjoy kong PBB, yung pinaka-unang season.
First season was goated, man. I love those people. Si ano ba, naalala ko pa sila Live ba?
Best clip ko si Baron.
Second season yun eh.
Yun. Enjoy rin niya sila Melay.
First season was like, there was this gay guy, and I fucking loved that guy. He was sassy as fuck. I forgot his name.
I forgot his name too.
Yeah, but he was like parang alam mo pa siya yung pinaka-prangka, and like he wouldn't take bullshit from people. He had that vibes. He was him. He was him. And
damn, bro. I remember
they were defiant to Kuya. Like sino ba yun?
Sino ba kasi John Lapus?
Hindi.
Puta na.
Yung kabatch sila Cassandra Ponti.
Taka na nung sinabi mo John Lapus, dapat ringin ako sa'yo. Bigla ako nakita si John Lapus sa'yo.
Hindi pa ako nanonood ng TV nun.
Sila Jason. Hindi si
Jason
May isa pang Jason. May isa pang Jason. Yung
Jason na yung comedian.
Yeah, comedian na Jason.
Comedian.
Yung si ni Melay.
He also fishes, by the way.
Hindi yung ni Melay.
Asawa ni Melay yun. Ibang Jason to.
Si Jason Gainza? Batangan niya yun eh.
He fishes, by the way. He loves to fish. He goes to my local fishing shop.
Nice, bro.
To buy gear.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, basta that first batch was hella nice. Maganda yung
yun naman. PBB.
PBB.
Just saying, speaking of John Lapus, andun din siya, okay? Sa pinanood kong play.
Natawa lang ako sa kung paano ma-manipulate yung winners sa PBB ng mga tao. So nowadays, may kanya-kanya mga pamato, di ba? May nakita akong video, yung video ni Doggy, na, di ba, kaibigan niya si Mika. Mika, puta, pasok ka lang dyan. Kung kung for eviction ka, 10 million na votes. Tanga ina, wala. Wasak. Bibilhin ko yung bahay ni Kuya.
Sinabi na yan?
Sinabi yan.
He said that. Pero, of course, joke lang yun. Pero, who knows, man? Like, what if putang ina, nanalo, 99% of the votes napunta kay Mika para to stay. Si Doggy na yun.
Oy, recently nadaanan namin kumakain kami.
Ano yan?
Kumakain tayo dun.
Saan?
Kumakain tayo dun sa Japanese dadaanan natin.
Dinadaanan
PBB,
natin
diba?
yung PBB house. What about it? Ano ba nakita mo?
I was just saying, bro. It all interconnects.
Daing nakaambang.
Okay. Hindi nga masyadong covered na ngayon yung parang court dun sa katabi niya. Hindi na siya covered.
Doon pa ba sila Parang hindi na, no?
I'm not sure, man.
It's just so
small. I think hindi talaga yun yung bahay ni Kuya. Ano lang yun?
Parang doon
lang.
Di ba kasi pag end
doon sila lumalabas, doon sila pumapasok. Pero it's not really the bahay ni Kuya.
Okay.
I don't know.
Baka sa loob-loob pa nun.
May studio pa siguro sila for the...
Ang liit ang liit ng bahay. I think tama.
Sa harap lang. Pero sa likod na siguro yun.
Baka, we'll see. Anyways, yun lang.
See.
To end
nakapasok na tayo.
That was something.
Does this resolve this PBB?
It does resolve. It does resolve.
Very good. No response. Okay, it resolves.
It resolves. Yes, yun lang naman.
Yun lang. Nabring na po kami ng MTJ. Ito mga terms namin nakukuha namin sa MTJ. Okay. Actually nice. It gives nice, it gives me another term kasi I'm losing words, bro. Which is why how I'm gonna open up yung main topic natin ngayon, which is brain rot. But I'm not talking about like yung tung tralalero tralala crocodilo bombardilo. No, this is like like that is brain rot, pero I'm talking about more of like, have you guys Chris, see, I'm losing my words already. I don't know what words to use anymore. Have you ever noticed that maybe you're losing the right words to say on certain things or to express certain sentences? Parang instead of using yung mga highly convoluted what do you call it? Fuck, see? I'm so done. This is my brain rot.
Yeah.
Ito na yan. Like siguro 5 or 6 years ago, I could have expressed my thoughts properly, concisely, and in a very elegant way. Now I'm like, damn, bro, I'm taking this L. My vocabulary is now Skibidi Ohio, bro.
That's crazy, bro. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro.
I'm talking about how my vocabulary has degraded.
Deteriorated.
So degraded. See, I could have used that word pero nawala na siya sa database ko. Or rather, napupush back na yung mga tamang words ko.
Priority.
And it's now it's being replaced by mga Skibidi Ohio. Not really, pero yung mga That's Crazy, yung
That's crazy,
W-Mans, like
W-Mans, bro.
L, like pati yung Ain't No Way.
Ain't no way, bro.
That's something that I don't usually use.
Yun nga eh, bigla na lang umano sa ano mo na lahat ginagamitan mo nun.
Yeah, exactly. Even if I'm talking to like random people, ginagamit ko na yun. Take the W, bro. Like, take the bag. Or, that's an L take, man. Parang napapagano na ako. And I hate myself for doing that.
It happens.
I'm struggling here, man. I'm struggling, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Like, it happens, especially sa environment mo na puro Gen Z din at saka yung mga content creators. They tend to happen. Kami nga ni Binky, may sarili na kaming dictionary na kami na nakakaintindi.
Damn. Is it Gen Z stuff or
no? What? It's just us.
Just yours. It's just us. Your own language.
Just getting with the times, bro.
Man. Like, who do I blame for this shit? Of course, I have to blame myself as well for getting influenced, but there has to be. Hindi pwedeng ako lang to. Okay, like, ikaw ba Neil, John? Like, are you guys getting influenced now by Gen Z speak?
I have to.
Or brain rot?
I mean, I'm Gen Z.
That's the thing. You have to. Nakakainit yun nga eh.
I mean, I'm Gen Z, man. Cannot
you are Gen Z. I don't know.
I think
I'm trying to trace back kung kailan nagsimula to.
I know kung kailan nagsimula yan.
Okay, sige.
For you.
When? Sige, when?
Remember nung I think gumawa ka ng post nun na people are now, kasi nagsimula siya sa abbreviation, di ba? Kasi people are, ginagawa na siya natin before nung wala pang Facebook. Yung mga, naalala mo yung pag nag-GM ka? Di ba?
Just speak?
Yeah, in a way.
Okay.
Tapos, from there kasi parang nag-evolve yung mga ganun. Yun lang, that's it. I think that's the start na parang nag-research ka na about abbreviations.
No.
Kasi there are some
this is not about abbreviations, din eh. It's like literally my words are now being replaced by other words.
Like
but the thing is,
because it's more of like you knowing these words,
because people keep using these words.
Parang pag sinabi mong I swear to God, parang ganun, di ba?
I swear to God. Yung ISTG, hindi ko ginagamit yung ISTG pare. Hindi ako ganun. Like, I swear to God, hindi ko ginagamit masyado yun eh. It's more of like words like tweaking. Who the fuck did I hear that word? I think I speed.
I'm about to flash out, man.
Yan eh.
Bro, tweaking.
Flash out. Like, bro, ito pinaka, I unironically use this word all the time. I am cooked. Bro, I use it all the time. Like, pag pagod na ako, pag sabog na ako, guys, I'm so cooked right now. I can't, like, imbis na sabihin ko sabog ako, so fucking cooked. I am so cooked. Kahit sino pa yung kausap ko, I'm cooked.
Or let him cook.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Okay, let him do his thing or let him cook or para, alam mo yun? Like, how did I manage to say those words before? No, wala pa yung term na yun.
Here's the thing. The more you know about this, you're like, you know what? I'm gonna use this word. It's like subconsciously, you're trying to like get on with the how people speak these days. So that's the reason there. Parang subconscious mo na yun nagdikta na
Okay, but the problem is, how did ikaw, yung let him cook, how would you restructure that 5 years ago? Na wala po to mga terms na to. How would you say that?
Let him do his thing, bro.
Hayaan mo, okay.
Hayaan mo siya.
Hayaan mo siya
magluto. Hayaan mo lang siya.
Kaya mo yan.
Hayaan mo lang siya.
Diba?
Nagpapainit pa siya, yun.
Nagpapainit pa siya.
Hayaan mo sila.
Podcaster ka eh. I mean, you have the words eh. But,
parang
Di ko na maalala. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
It's like from the word he's eating up to fucking... it kind of evolved into something else.
But it's so fun to use, bro. Like, parang gets mo na agad eh. Let him cook.
May kasi, may meme kasing sumabog.
Oh, that's where it started, and now everybody uses it.
Let him cook.
He's absolutely the GOAT. Yung mga ganyan, the GOAT, putang ina yan. Everyone uses that shit now.
Actually, dati pa yun eh. The GOAT.
He's a GOAT.
Pero mas madalas na siya gamitin ngayon just to like say simply na he's absolutely... I'm trying to find the words before. I'm trying to find a word without using GOAT.
He's absolutely
awesome.
The greatest of all time.
Man, guys, my vocabulary is absolutely cooked right now, guys. I cannot. My brain is tweaking. It's Skibidi Ohio na. Hindi ko Skibidi lang yung hindi ko nagagamit. Pati yung Ohio. I'm just using it right now to like, para maano yung mga tao.
Bro, what the fuck is a Ohio? Ano ba yun? It's a place.
Yeah,
it's a place. And it's like a cursed place. Kung baka parang yun yung etibac ng or etibak ng ng America or something. I don't know.
So stupid.
So, pag sinabi mo Ohio, parang it's like the most brain-rotted place ever.
What do you mean? Detroit is the worst place ever.
Bakit walang term ng Detroit, di ba? You're not Skibidi Detroit, you're Skibidi Ohio, see? It's Ohio. Kaya nga may Ohio Last Boss. Parang yun yung rotten plains ng America, Ohio. And then may basihan eh. Like a lot of people are saying Ohio is like one of the worst places to visit. Daw. Kaya yun, kaya inano nila. Ano ba? What other Gen Z terms ang
Sigma boy.
Yung mga Sigma, fucking mewing, mogging, looks-maxing. I hate those.
I kind of...
Yeah, he absolutely looks-maxing.
I tried to like visit
what,
my
look-maxing?
Looks-maxing, yeah.
I tried to
what the heck?
It's mogging.
Yeah, it's mogging, yeah.
Alam ko.
Nagpapapogi ka
ganun din
ganun.
yun.
You're looks maxing. If you're mewing, you're looks maxing.
I hate this because like
looks maxing.
Siguro like 3 years ago, I would hate doing this. Like I would absolutely hate na parang why are we devolving our language into this? Kasi alam mo yung parang yung mga ginagawa ng mga Lasallian sa parang carbs, pics,
oh my god.
rug, yung mga ganun.
Carbs
I hated that so much. Fuck that.
Fucking
I hate people using that. Hanggang ngayon.
Lasallians has their own planet there.
Ano yun Neil?
Kasi sa Pinas, sobrang baba ng mga gumraduate na maayos magbasa.
No, that's not it. Yung mga ginagawa ng mga Lasallians. No, para lang masabi nilang may sarili silang okay, trend na annoying.
Hindi, feeling ko, connected dun yun.
Really.
No, it's not. Kasi hindi, kasi ang kata nga eh. Kasi bakit rug? So, they're gonna go for the origin of the word rug. Kung bakit nila gagamit yung rug. Kasi R-U-G. Ganun.
Are you sure about that?
Or like for example, carbs. Bakit carbs? Bakit nga ba carbs, Chris? I don't know. You have friends from Lasal?
No.
Why?
They don't have
yung sinasabi mo, mga ano pala, mga konyo.
Yung mga konyo shit. So parang ganun.
Pare, I'm so sorry.
Yun yung carbs, yung rug. Yun yung
carbs is rug dahil
carbs
because
tapos ano ba yung carpet? Rug.
Kasi rug. Yeah. Carbs is a rug. Okay. R-U-G. Carbs. Carbs. Pics ka ba?
The fuck is that?
You know what? Let's not fucking go for it. I don't want.
Okay. Gets ko na yung mga shortcut terms nila.
Mga shortcut terms na hindi naman kailangan i-shortcut pero just for the heck of it, just for the fun of it. Yun. Ano pa ba yung mga...
You feel cool pag ginawa mo.
Yeah. Dude, I don't feel cool using the word I am goated. It's just
goaded.
Man, it just comes out of my mouth.
Goaded, bro.
I'm goaded. I wish like yung mga next kong vocabulary. I hope it evolves from like Magic the Gathering terms. Like does it resolve? Damn, you are goaded right now. Man's has death strike.
What?
Wala pa kayo, hindi nyo pa alam yan.
Tayo lang din makakaintindi. People who play.
Ito, ginagamit ko rin minsan, delulo.
Delulo. That's a fun word. I actually like that. Delusional. That's a fun word. Delulo.
Bro, yung ano nga eh.
Yung ano?
Yung mga bakla nga, may sarili silang lengguaheng sila lang nakakaintindi.
That's fine.
It's
natutuwa ako sa ano nila.
How?
It's giving, pre. It's giving.
Very giving.
It's giving.
Like slay, give us everything, mga ganun. It's very camp.
Eklabush.
Binaliktad.
Eklabush.
Si Sinech Ite ang nagwarlalo sa so many, man. Like
this podcast, man, this goes hard, man.
yeah, but this podcast it goes absolutely hard, bro. Like damn, this podcast fell off. Mga mga fell off. Yung mga putang ina, ang dami ng terms. I can't help but use them as well.
It's just
like
for real.
Yeah. It's just like for real. Like,
for real, bro.
Fur, man. Fur,
bro.
I think it's just gonna. Do you think it's gonna? Our vocabulary is gonna devolve further into the depth of Ohio, bro.
Yes.
Shit.
Kasi we came from like parang yung mga nagtutula, di ba? Parang like the way they speak.
We kind of normalize these kinds of things now.
That's the
real
thing.
G, bro. Real G, man. Real G.
Isa ba normalize?
Normalize. No cap, bro.
No cap, bro.
G, man.
Di mo na.
No cap! Oh my God.
Parang built different, ganun. Ang dami.
Built. He's built. Ako rin, ginagamit ko yun. He's just built diff. Like, hindi ko na ma-describe kung bakit siya built diff. I can't expound on it. I can't describe na parang, cause he's like, very charismatic. He is, he's very strong. Hindi, it's just, sabihin ko na lang, it's like, parang we now live in a world where sobrang simplified na ng mga words. Pero in some way, it works eh. Parang you don't need to explain it anymore. Just say this string of words gets na ng mga tao. And I'm totally fine with that. Ang problema ko lang is right now, like, I kind of miss the days where Gloco was, I don't know, hindi literate eh. More colorful with his words.
Kasi di ba nagtuturo ka ng English dati?
Yes.
So, feeling ko by doing that kasi like repetitively every day.
Now overrate na.
Na ano mo siya eh, di ba? Tapos ngayon, syempre, imposible namang everyday di ka naman na nagtuturo English. Di mo na siya talagang nahahasa ng todo. Di ba?
You know,
first, like, sa example lang, like, sa sports lang rin, di ba? Like, sa basketball. Kung di naman ako mag-shoot everyday, di ko naman siya mahasa eh.
It's a muscle, bro.
Sometimes you gotta vibe check, bro.
Yan din, putang ina. Favorite word ko yung vibe check. Guys, I'm just gonna vibe check imbis na, I'm gonna check the weather or parang, imbis na sabihin ko na, tingnan ko lang yung energy ng lugar.
And I'm just giving example.
Vibe check.
Feeling ko like, maybe somehow it kind of helped me rin. Kasi parang since everyone knows what it means, parang it's easier for me to like express certain things na rin without having to explain it. Kumbaga, this is just the boomer side of me na parang, kasi tayo, you know how like boomers are saying na parang, dati, pinaghihirapan pa natin yan. Ngayon, ang dali-dali na lang para sa inyo, ganun. And the paradox there is like, aren't we working for an easier world? Parang ganun. So now, like, expressing certain emotions or thoughts is easier now by just saying Gen Z stuff. And para sa akin, it's just a me problem na parang I miss the part of me that was that had a more colorful vocabulary, but another part of me is like okay with it kasi now people are easier to understand as long as you know what those words mean. Parang ganun. I don't know. I think I'm just worried na on a professional kasi when it comes to writing, okay pa ako. Like I can still string words properly and concisely. Nandiyan pa rin. Pero when it comes to words, like yung mga parang on-the-spot stuff na when talking to someone, I'm worried na baka yun na rin yung gamitin ko. Like for example, kung may guesting ako sa what do you call this? Like a panel. What if yun yung mga sinasabi ko? Like Gloco, how do you become a content creator? Oh, bro, that is Skibidi Ohio Riz question. But W mans, bro, for that question. So you gotta
elbow, take the elbow.
What if I start? Yeah, that's
an L
honestly,
take.
Like on my mama, sabi ko, on my mama, this is probably gonna be an L take.
Yeah, but no thoughts, empty, man.
I fear the day that I will come. Ito kasi there was this one time, 'di ba, kumain tayo with Royce kasama yung father niya, Neil, 'di ba? Yung stepdad niya. And then I don't think if this is related to that, pero there was this one time na may nag-uusap lang kasi sobrang chill ng vibes nung yung father yung stepdad ni Royce. To the point na parang may sinabi siya, may ano ka ba? Ganyan. Tapos sinabi ko, hindi bro eh. Ginanon ko siya. Imbis na nagpo ako, usually di ba, nagpo tayo. Ako, hindi bro eh. And then I'm like, hindi po eh. I took it back.
Hindi bro
agad.
eh.
Okay, agad. So parang lumabas na lang bigla sa bibig ko without thinking na brino ko siya. And I don't think that stems from brain rot. It's more of like ako, kasi I'm getting old. I'm fucking 32. And ang sabi ng mga tao, most of the time, pag may mga kausap ako mga strangers, lagi ko silang pinopo, sir, ganyan. And then people are saying, wag mo ako sir, so matanda ka sa akin, wag mo ako pinopo. So parang I'm trying to remind myself na, Gloco, you're at an age where most of the people you're interacting with are younger than you. So you have to like speak more casually or parang acknowledge them as like an equal, ganun. So, dahil sa sobrang chill vibes ng stepdad ni Royce, brino ko siya. Kasi he kinda looks like the people I fish with.
It's chill,
so,
it's chill.
It's just very chill, you know? Parang ganun. I wouldn't say that to someone who really looks old, di ba? Pero siya kasi, like, like he looks like a fellow middle-aged man. Kaya napabro ko siya. Pero still, like, I don't know.
It's a canon event, man.
It's a canon event.
Feeling ko naman kasi it's a sign of respect. Pero ako hindi ko rin maiwasan pag like sabihin may kausap tayo na brands or na nagpopo ako.
Oh yeah, of course.
And then or sir, ganyan. Wag mo na ako tawagin sir.
Yeah.
Sa na natin yan parang
we were trained habit na natin yan as a sign of respect.
Kasi parang pag hindi ako nagpo or nag-sir, parang siya, what you call this?
Disrespect?
Yeah, disrespect. Diba parang, baka di na ako kunin.
Ang ina nito hindi ako pinupo nito. Wala kakatunin to. Ganun. Yeah. I'm just maybe worried for nothing, but yun lang. I just hope that like my speech patterns doesn't really devolve to the worst. Sana okay pa rin. Sana socially acceptable pa rin yung speech patterns ko if ever it does get brain rotted.
Goods pa yung English mo. Alam mo bakit? Kasi, di ba, galing tayong HSR
Onkay Star
concert. So, di ba, sumabay kayo sa akin nila Cholo at nila Bianca. Nung nag-uusap kayong tatlo, I was like, oh my fucking God!
Kasi si Bianca at si Cholo
English!
Si Bianca kasi taga-Canada, so she speaks, like English talaga. So, natural, kakausapin namin siya in English din.
Paano ka sasabat?
Nakikinig lang ako. Paano ko?
Paano ka may
Buti
kisali?
si Cholo, siya, like, nakamusta niya akong ganun. Okay lang bro, like, gets lang. So, hindi makano sa nila. MTG rin usapan nila. Siyempre, ako rin, gusto ko rin, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero,
you can try. Okay naman English mo maano mo naman
Na yun nga, pinapakinggan ko kayo like, oh my God, wow, grabe yung English nila, fluent. Tapos, ang para sa akin kasi parang ang normal. Meron kasi minsan parang ayokong mapilit ako sa English. Kasi parang magiging barok. Pero minsan kasi
that's gonna be fine.
Kasi sa akin minsan, ewan ko sa akin lang, sa meeting lang na parang bigla na lang lumalabas yung English ko.
Yung pagkabarok ng English.
Yung pagkatuloy-tuloy na English.
Pagkatuloy-tuloy. There are times na ganun.
Parang yung isip mo. Like kahit ano yung tanong nila,
you get to in the flow.
Yung flow. Di ba? Yun yung ko. Pero minsan naman, putik pag on the spot na,
Damn bro, I feel that every day bro.
Not gonna lie, I have times na ganyan. Na tipong, hindi ako nano-nosebleed, pero dahil nga sa brain rot, parang napapaisip ako agad na, okay, what's the right words to say here? Napapaganon ako. Pero there are times na parang kahit ako, I impress myself. Especially if like on the spot na tuloy-tuloy yung English ko and I'm actually, parang habang nagsasalita ako at the back of my mind, naisip ko, damn, I didn't know I still had this. Holy shit, I'm in the flow right now. So tuloy-tuloy, like I'm speaking concisely, I'm getting my points across properly, ganun. Damn, I didn't know I could
You're
do
finding
that.
the words without thinking about it. Parang ganun.
Yeah. Oo, ganun. Nasa flow ako. Naging egoist bigla yung utak ko when it comes to English. Pero,
damn, bro.
I'm just saying, like, there are a lot of times then, especially those who are struggling with speaking in English, kahit ilang taon na sila, I still have times na parang nabubobo rin ako. Like, nababarok din yung English ko.
That's me, bro.
Absolutely fine. Yeah, there will be times na sobrang skibidi o higher.
Yeah, it's like, it's easier na gumamit ka ng ganyan. Damn.
Sometimes your brain is just cooked and you just have
kayang explanation
an L
sa ganyan, no?
bro. I don't know.
Kasi
siguro yung mga scroll of dome, scroll doom, mga ganun. Kasi
Scroll doom. Ano yan?
Scroll doom.
Scroll doom pag
doom scrolling.
Scroll ka lang.
Doom scrolling.
Doom scrolling.
Scrolling, di ba?
That's how you access information these days.
Yeah.
Do you think it's like the reason why nabe-brain rot tayo because there's like just so much information right now?
I feel like
dati puta na nung walang internet ang alam ko lang is like whatever I know like within the province, diba? Now you know these stuff. Yeah, you're more knowledgeable, more susceptible of being influenced on today's generation, kumbaga.
That's the thing though.
Damn.
You know, like, there's so much information, but is it the right information coming in?
Nah.
That's the dilemma, man. Like so much information, pero like you can manipulate that information to like to either do good or do bad. I don't know, man. Fuck.
Ngayon nga may new gen of brain rot
What?
Diba? Yung tralalero, tralala. Like,
I don't
AI
think that's
shit,
new.
man.
It's just ano lang,
memes.
parang, it's just memes, man.
Yeah, memes na talagang, alam mo yun, pag kita,
It's like
gumawa
that's
nga si Royce ng ano eh, ng TikTok sa inyo. Ikaw alam mo, di ba? Pag narinig mo pa lang, tralalero, tralala. Ayun yung pating na may,
Yeah, it's just funny words. Parang, ano mo yung, ano ba ba yung
Pero naano mo siya sa utak. Pero naano mo siya sa utak mo, di ba?
It sticks with me. Yeah. But it's not like something I would use na parang on a normal conversation na parang, hey man, tralalelo, tralala. You're looking so tung sahur right now. Right? I don't know. I don't think that's gonna fucking. I just think it's funny. It's just funny. It's the way they say it. With conviction, yung accent, yung parang Italian na crocardilo, brombardilo. It's like parang ano yun, yung pag sinasabi natin yung croissant or pag sinasabi natin yung Mamma Mia, pizzeria. Di ba parang ganun? That's just how it feels for me. It's like just funny words. Pero the problem now is like there's an image that pops up when we say it.
Oh yeah.
Like we say crocardilo, brombardilo, papasok si ano.
Ito for sure.
Si
Ui-a-a.
I hate that.
I
I hate that. I actually hate that. There are things.
Too stupid.
That's KK Slider from fucking ano yun, yung Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
You now get why people love KK Slider. Tapos na ano lang, naging accessible na yung ganung sa.
Oo nga yung bubblegum ganun.
Ayun.
I love listening to that shit.
I think same there. See, it's those memes na like it can just shut your brain off. And then like yung last two brain cells mo. Ito yan, putang ina, isa pang mahilig kong gamitin na term for like in any conversation. Guys, I'm down to my last two brain cells, bro. I just cannot ganun. Then I tried to think about how would I say that 5 years ago. Guys, pagod na ako.
Pagod na ako.
Guys, sabog na ako. Paalam.
Di ko na kaya. Gusto nung pahinga. Gusto nung umuwi.
Lobat na ako, guys. Ganun. Pero now, it's like, it's really fun to use. Parang, guys, last two brain cells.
Hindi, yung ano mo, may sinasabi ko ng dati.
Ano?
Yung social battery ko, ubos na.
Oh, social battery ko, ubos na. But now, like, it's like down to my, it's just a more fun way to say it na, guys.
I'm running on fumes.
I'm running on fumes. Pwede rin. But it's just one, parang using, guys, last two brain cells na ako. It's just a more fun way to say. Kasi parang na-imagine mo, parang mas na-imagine mo, there's like a funny image on your head na parang, look at Gloco, it's just like, just one brain cell right now. So stupid. Parang ganun.
All thoughts
I want, ano yan? Like,
no thoughts head empty pala. Sorry.
No thoughts head empty. Di ba? Ganung klaseng ano. Ano, yun. That's it. Kayo, anything else you guys wanna convey?
You drop this king.
About brain. You drop this king.
You drop this king.
Yung ano, put fries in the bag.
No.
You know, how do you use that? Di ko alam yun. Guys, just parang tama na, tahan na, just take the L, parang ganun.
No, parang ano siya. Parang ang
how do you
pagkakaintindi ko para sa akin na is, parang may nagmamagaling.
Okay.
Tapos sasabihin lang na isa na, just put the fries in the bag. Parang ganun.
Actually, yung ginagamit niya pag may, hey man, is that you? Parang kaklase mo dati nung ano yun. Nagsimula tayo nung kaklase mo nung high school tapos cashier na lang. Yun yung context nun eh.
Ganun?
Ayun ba yun?
Oo.
The way I understand that is parang, like, you have such an L take. Yeah. So parang tama na, you're just ruining it for yourself even more by saying stuff. Parang zip your mouth, take the L, and fuck off. Parang ganun yung put the fries in the bag.
No.
That's how I understand it.
So, ito yung actual ano niya is, yun nga, literal meaning. Literal meaning is to put, yun nga, fries in the bag. Literal meaning. Figurative meaning, it's a way of telling someone to stop wasting time or rambling and get to the point.
Oh.
Or to be quiet and leave. It can also be a mild insult or a way to tell someone to move on. Just put the fries in the freaking bag, bro.
Just put the fries in the bag, take your order, so much, and leave, bro. Yan din yung yapping na yan. Tangina, fucking. I mean, yapping was a word before, but now people just keep using it and in the right context din. Like, dati, hindi ko alam kung ano yung term dati.
Ikaw nalaman to, akala ko locked in eh.
You're so talkative, you're so noisy, like, you're so annoying. Pero nga, you're fucking yapper, gano'n.
Gyat.
Yung gyat, isa pa rin dyan. Gyat. Kids now have a safe word. I can't believe we made a safe word for kids to say ass. And somehow, gyat means worse. Para sa akin, it sounds worse than saying literal ass.
Saying ass.
Parang like when you say ass dati parang
It's like a big
literally,
ass
just, just your big ass, your butt. When you say gyat now, parang mas heightened na yung parang sexual meaning niya.
Yeah.
When you say gyat, parang damn, that's a nice
Di ba may
ass.
song dun?
Yung gyat. Kids
May
keep
song?
using gyat.
Di ba may pinapakinggan ka
That's
lagi
a
na
gyat.
song ng ano?
No, I don't know.
No, like that
Wala.
one song na galing sa VTuber na minimension lahat ng brain rot na terms.
Oo, yung
I
kay
don't
ano,
remember the
kay
fucking-
kay Bibo, like,
Oo, yung Bibo
sticking
tax.
out your gyat
Ah,
for
yan.
the Rizzler. You're so bow.
I can't believe na abutan kita you
Yeah.
blasting that shit
Yeah.
sa
Yeah,
room
so
mo.
good. Exactly, bro. That's a brain rot. That's a Bibo brain rot, bro.
Just stepping ko lang gagano no.
Damn.
Sticking out your gut.
Taking out
Taking
your gut
out
for
your-
the Rizzler. Yung Riz, di ba? Riz.
Na, yun na rin. Like, the word Riz, it's used so fucking much. Diba? Like, parang people just keep using like damn, kasi he has Riz. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Parang hindi mo
May
hindi mo na
charisma.
sabihin, kasi may dating kasi siya eh. Lakas kasi nung dating niya. He
You know
got
what's weird?
Riz.
Yung word
What?
na yan galing daw kay Kai.
Kay Kai.
Kai Sinat.
Kasi not.
Kai
Oh,
Sinat.
Yung Riz,
Riz?
mismo. Yung Riz mismo na word.
Okay, cause he...
Charisma. Short for charisma.
Charisma.
The
I don't
bro
think
got
that's how
Riz.
it-
Gumanon, parang gumanon. Bro got Riz.
Is it really from the word charisma though?
I feel like it, bro.
Yeah.
Kasi you got Riz.
Damn.
No,
So,
kasi
like-
like,
Oo nga.
I like to think that it came from somewhere else. Kasi there's this thing, there's a word called, yung simp, diba? Simp
Oo.
nowadays. So, dati, I don't know who made that, what do you call this, yung word na simp. Kung bakit ginagamit na siya. Pero there was a word called simpleton. And I thought that was like the origin of it.
Simp.
Okay, the word simp came from simpleton kasi it kind of makes sense. Like, if you're a simp, you're a simpleton. But, yung inescalate yan ng mga tao na, no, it did not. No, it's not from the word simpleton. And I'm like, so where did it come from? And I still have no answer till this day.
Tama ka.
Nalin,
Yun nga
Ano
yung
yun, tama
tama.
ka.
That's what it meant before.
simpleton. And now
Oo.
it's just, people just...
Iniba ng Gen Z.
Iniba lang ng Gen Z.
Oo.
Na simp is now like, if you're, what the fuck, irrationally in love with a certain
It's used
girl.
for, as a general term siya
Oo.
to who displays excessive affection or devotion.
There you go. See, I couldn't string those words anymore, bro. Maybe 5 years ago, may explain ko na maayos ng ganun. But now I can't. I'm cooked. Shit.
Oh
Help
my
me,
God, you're
guys.
cooked.
I am cooked. I am so cooked. Ayun. Anything else you guys want to say? Does this topic resolve?
It's resolved.
Is
Does
Riz.
it resolve?
Does
Do
it
it for the
Riz?
plot.
Oo.
Man. Do it for the plot.
Do it for the
Do
plot.
it for the fuck you, man.
Do it for the plot.
Do it for the vines, bro.
Yun
Not
na,
our work,
namatay yung terms na yun along with Vines.
Oh
Do it
yeah,
for the
that's
vine.
true. That's true.
Do it for TikTok, man.
Damn.
I never
What
heard
else
someone say
happened?
Do it for TikTok, bro. Shut your bitch ass.
I think some of our viewers were asking our opinions sa mga current affairs. Okay?
Ng ating bansa.
Like for example, like ng ating bansa. Because sometimes we do delve on that. Tama?
Yeah, tama.
We just
Yeah.
the problem is kasi putang ina dun sa past podcast natin kasi we record something tapos weekly podcast siya pero we record something and it comes out like we talk and then people watch it and then we're talking about a fucking topic that came like several months ago pa. So it's not relevant anymore. So parang hindi na makarelate ng mga tao. So like with this new weekly podcast baka madaanan talaga natin yung mga yung mga recent affairs. And when I say recent, like at least mga I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks old na mga issues or concerns. O nga, magbobotohan na. Ako, good luck sa inyo yung mga magboboto dyan because I'm leaving the Philippines. Tatakas na ako. Tatakas na po ako sa Pilipinas in a few months. So I wish everyone luck. I think by the time na in-upload na tong podcast na to, may may mga winners na.
Oo, may mga winners na.
Ayun.
And
Ay,
ako,
nako.
bilib ako sa Pasig.
Sa Pasig, kay Vico.
Kasi sobrang, sobrang open. Like lahat pinapakita. Kung saan ginagastos, kung saan nabubunta.
And people have an audacity
Good
to like.
governance.
Damn, bro. W-Mans, bro.
Damn, bro. W-Mans for
W-Mans.
my boy
Damn,
Vico,
bro.
bro. Chat, is this real?
It's real chat.
Clip it, chat.
Clip
Clip it.
I fucking hate people use that. Pati sa mga conversation. Sorry, hindi pa tayo tapos sa mga
W.
Well, I kind of shame people I kind of shame people rin na minsan they're trying to like, what you call this? There's this, I forgot the term. Fuck!
No, they just use the Gen Z term, Curse.
I can't!
Use the Gen Z term. Use it. Do it.
Never mind, fucking Jesus Christ.
Damn, bro.
Talangka.
Nakalimutan ko, wait lang. There's a campaign. What campaign is
Sinisira
that?
siya?
Yeah, parang ganon. Yeah. What was the word?
Propaganda.
Smear
No,
campaign.
smear campaign.
Sometimes
Yeah,
people make
got it. Fuck yeah.
Damn, bro.
Sometimes
Fuck,
people
man.
make smear campaign about Vigo. Like, why?
Hello, propaganda.
I don't know, kasi it's so stupid. To be honest, stupid. Ang ano ko lang is I hopefully Vigo wins again. So that at least
mananalo yun,
you know,
for sure.
yun nga, at least like
Pagkakala ko
parang kahit
patapos
anong
yung
mangyari,
termino
kung may mangyari man sa sa gobyerno natin, if we somehow elect, if the people elect the wrong senatorials again, at least like parang we can look at Pasig like parang
Well, according to the surveys. Have you seen the surveys?
I don't know, man. Ako, anong mangyari man, wala na ako sa Pinas. So,
Big L, man. Big L.
hindi naman sa sinasabi kong wala akong pakialam sa Pilipinas, pero goddamn, sa tagal ko nang dito sa Pinas, hindi pa ba kayo hindi pa ba kayo na nagigising sa mga nangyayari? If something bad happens ulit sa election ngayon, sa election period na yun, like parang, I've done my part. Pagod na ako, guys. I am so cooked na.
May
Pagod
post
na ako.
about dyan eh.
Alin?
Post is, nag-hire ako ng driver.
Ah.
Pero, nung hinire ko siya,
Mm.
ninakaw niya yung kotse ko. Tapos nakulong siya. Tapos
I
after
feel
niya
this one.
makulong, bumalik siya sa akin.
Ah.
Sabi niya, gusto niya ulit mag-apply sa akin.
Mag-apply,
At pinagsisisihan niya na ang ginawa
Wait,
niya.
na-mention mo ba na may history ng carnapping? Yung
Hindi. May history ng carnapping before
yung
siya
nag-apply.
kunin.
Before
Na
nag-apply.
nag-apply.
Okay.
So ako naman, syempre, mukhang mabait yung muka.
I give him a chance.
At give him a chance.
Kaya he got
kinuha ko.
rid. Kasi he got rid.
May aura siya.
May
Ganyan.
oras siya.
So, after nun, kinarnap niya yung kotse ko. Pero nahuli siya. Nakulong. After pagkakalaya niya, bumalik siya sa akin. Sabi niya sa akin, nagbago na po ako. Pwede po bang maging driver niyo ulit? At siyempre ako, nakita ko, siyempre, baka nagana na talaga. Nagbago na.
Mabait yung mukha.
Bait mukha. Maamong tao. At kinuha ko ulit. Then kinarnap ulit yung kotse ko.
Okay, you know what would make what would make your inaccuracies ng kwento Manil? The part na nakulong. Bro, hindi nakulong eh. Nahuli pero hindi kulong.
Kasi because of technicalities daw. So hindi siya
Because
nakulong.
of technicalities, hindi talaga siya nakulong. Pero pero convicted siya, pero hindi sila nakulong.
Hindi
yung
siya
driver,
nakulong?
hindi nakukulong yung driver. Like, nahuhuli lang siya like, oops! Oopsie-doopsie.
Oh my God.
Akala ko nakulong siya.
Yeah, shit. Anyways, can you hire me again? Hindi siya nakukulong, bro.
Hindi ba siya nakulong? Akala ko nakulong siya.
No, like,
Pero,
to make your story more accurate na lang. Sabihin na
my
lang natin.
bad. Pero,
Hindi sila nakukulong eh.
hindi. Pero yun nga daw ang sa ngayon. Sa pagboboto.
Yeah.
Yun
Yeah,
yung...
pretty much. Good analogy. Yeah.
Ewan ko na.
So, yeah.
Just put the price in the bag.
Put the price in the bag, bro.
Let's put the prize in the bag, Neil. But yeah, kaya inaano ko rin like, yung mga current affairs kasi si John, he has like a pretty good idea about like the podcast because obviously some people will ask us about our takes with current affairs and whether or not sasagutin natin o hindi, it's really up to us. Most of it siguro hindi, pero suggestion daw ni John is like we will post something sa PR page, okay? Facebook page ng PR, and post like a question. Like we want to know the takes of
Our listeners.
Viewers.
And listeners.
Okay? Syempre kami naman, gusto na naman namin makikita yung take nyo. Like let's say for example, we post something. Ano yung opinion nyo sa brain rot ng panahon? And then we're gonna go through like the top comments of that post. The answer basically we're gonna go through the top comments ng ating viewers and then we're gonna read out their take and then we're gonna give our take on their take. Ganun. Diba? Parang Pinoy's reacts lang.
Pero podcast.
Pero sa podcast.
Pero podcast.
Kasi wala namang PR reacts, diba?
What's your take for this?
Diba? What is that? Your binder?
Big L, bro, big L.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
I did.
PR reacts, Neil. Speaking of.
PR reacts to social construct.
May ano ba? Maybe may Schrodinger's ano tayo eh. PR reacts.
Schrodinger's.
Does it actually exist?
PR reacts to
Social
social
editor ang
construct.
kulang. Yan ang
editor.
editor ang kulang.
Ba't di mo i-edit?
Gusto ko munang maging consistent tong talaga.
Podcast
like talagang
consistent naman na. What do you mean? It's been weekly.
Pa-consistent pa lang. Okay, that's the word. Pa-consistent.
Always been. It's always been.
So, yan. Pero feeling ko naman masisingit. Malay natin. Malay mo.
Schrodinger's PR reacts. But yeah, like may abangan nyo na lang siguro guys sa sa mga susunod na weeks or days. We might ask a question and then basta kung may sagot man kayo, handaan nyo na lang sarili nyo na ma-feature yung sagot nyo sa PR podcast. Bakit nga? Sino ba nag-suggest yun? Yung girlfriend mo,
Yes.
John? Because
Dagdag segment lang
siya.
for So just something to look forward then for the people listening.
yeah, that's fucking awesome. I guess last ko na lang siguro nasasabihin is about kwento ko lang. I went to an adult concert.
That's crazy.
Was I-
Oh, yung post mo!
ano sa post ko?
Ang
Ano ba
daming
post?
nagko-comment sa post mo.
Bawal
Now
daw
what?
picture.
Na bawal daw
Bawal yung
picture,
picture.
before, after, and ano yung sa kita ng before and after?
Before, after, during.
During!
Okay. And may may valid basihan yun. Kasi si Ado, she's pretty much like what do you call this? Wala pa siyang face reveal, kumbaga. And she performs inside a very cool box. Okay, a cage. And
Hindi
she
siya
does-
kita?
And she does stuff in the cage. Hindi, like you're just literally seeing a silhouette. So before ko sagutin yan, I just I wanna describe how my experience went and then to give some people an idea of how the adult concert is, because it was a concert that I've never experienced before. Okay. And this is like the first concert I've been to since the early 2000s. Okay. So yung huling concert na natin ko was probably nung
Sa Japan?
Nung grade school pa ako, high school ako. Unless considered na concert yung Paskuhan sa UST, but yeah, that was college days. Anyways,
Diba yung sa Japan?
Yung sa
Yung
Japan,
musical?
it's an orchestral concert. So
Orchestral,
it's hindi siya yung parang rakisal, hindi siya yung tugtog.
Yeah.
Hindi. You're there for the vibes ng ng mga orchestral concerts, yung kay Nobuo Uematsu, yung what do you call Distant Worlds. So it's just literally an orchestral This one is like yung parang lights everywhere, fucking yung parang it's like it's parang rakrakan talaga yung adult concert. So anyways, ayan. So, ang cool ng concept niya. I was lucky. I was placed in a seat sa lower box ng MOA Arena. And to give you guys like to describe the POV, literal eye level ako kay Ado. Okay? So may lower box pa, nandun yung mga VIP. Sorry, may lower level pa, which is nandun yung mga VIP. Like nasa ground level sila. Nandun ako sa gitna, nasa midgar ako. And then there's like general ad na nasa taas. So I was dead smack in the middle, eye level. Kumbaga parang kung sa rule of thirds, nasa gitna akong nasa gitnang square ako sa perspective nung concert. So, man, I will never forget. Like the moment the fucking concert started, lumabas yung bandmates ni Ado, and then she fucking appeared in this square ass cage. And then nag-start siya ng usewa, tapos putang ina yung yung naglabas yun, puta, alam mo yung, imagine mo na lahat ng flash skills sa Valorant, putang ina, sinabay-sabay pinasabog sa mukha ko. Yun yung nangyari sa akin. Like lasers everywhere, like gorillion lasers and flashing lights and everything was hitting my eyes, my face. That's how I was like in an acid trip, and the whole time how it looks like is parang siyang IMAX.
That's crazy, bro.
Parang siyang may 3D effect. Yeah, man, it's like I was playing Toho. I was playing Beat Saber in 120 FPS 4K IMAX 3D. Yun yung feeling. I was so damn, am I high? Ganun yung
Baka ba katabi?
perspective ko. Pati yung mga katabi ko, ganun din. So every time na ganun ako, oh shit, damn, this is so pink! I can't see shit, man. It's so big. Oh,
Kasi nadaan na laser, gano'n yun eh. Pag gitna.
Oh, gago. Dami putang. As in, parang sinut ng, parang nag-ultimate yung Wing Gundam sa akin. That's how it looked like. It was like a light show, bro. It was so good. But other than that, like, Ado is like the real deal. Like, nakikita mo lang yung silhouette niya, pero yung prod value, yung, like, how, it was more of like a visual treat yung whole concert niya. Ang malaro siya sa lights, sa visuals, yung mga background na mga graphics. Sobrang laro niya. It works so well. It's like you're looking at a kaleidoscope all this time, but it gets very artistic at so many times. And sobrang consistent ng boses niya. Para siya nagsustudio recording. Like, alam mo yung parang tayo sa Pinas, nagbibirit. Mahilig tayo sa mga birit, yung pataasan. Si Ado, she does that, pero in a very raspy way. Okay, para siya nagsi-screamo, pero yung screamo is like from a I don't know, from a J-pop artist. Di ko ma-describe eh. Like, basta ang consistent ng screaming niya to the point na parang damn, it's elegant yung scream niya. Ganun yung feeling. So I'm not an Ado fan, but I respect her now. I understand now. I wasn't familiar with her game now. I wasn't familiar with her game. Chill. But she pretty good. And then she sang ano yan? She sang
One Piece?
No, she sang... Well, siya si Uta sa One Piece. She sang those songs then. Pretty good then. Everyone was super hyped with it. But what I really, really respect other than her voice is like, kahit silhouette lang nakikita mo, she was dancing. Like, no one was watching. Ang ganda nung silhouette na pinapakita niya. It's like a shadow puppet na naka 120 FPS and then she keeps moving like to the beat. Like, she don't miss. She don't miss, guys.
Sabi ko kay Gloco, ano daw eh. That was just Filipina Day Hard, bro.
Proxy lang ni
stage performer lang. She actually backstage.
Whoever that was, they didn't miss at all, man. Pero like, I think it's pretty apparent na si Ado talaga yun yung nasa ano. And like, parang kwento niya ako kasi na bago daw siya naging artist, she was just singing in a closet. Tapos pinapagalitan daw siya ng nanay niya kasi ang ingay daw niya pag nagkakanta. And what's so ironic about it is like up till now she's still in a closet. She's still singing in a closet, and I think that's awesome. Yun lang. It was a very heartfelt concert for her, and everyone there was vibing and showed their love. Ayun lang. I was just right there. Ganito lang ako. I was like a proud father na seeing all my kids watching a concert. Parang ganito lang ako. Yeah.
W Ado, bro.
Awesome. W Ado. Ganun lang ako the whole time. Like, yun lang. It was cool. And isang na-notice ko, nobody was using their cell phones at all.
Putang ina, alam mo bakit?
Again, wala. As in, no. Which is awesome. Okay, I'll get to that in a bit. Okay, I'll get to that in a bit. Yung issue na nangyayari sa akin ngayon. So, anyways, wala talaga nag-cellphone. Bawal talaga. And kasi, obviously, no one wants to dox Ado. And also, pag may nakitang gumagamit ng cellphone during the show, pwede i-off yung ni Ado, yung box niya. Okay? Ooh. And then it's gonna end the show. Parang ganun yung panakot. Pero ang pinaka daw nila, kung bakit nila discourage yung phone is she wants people to like be in the moment. Kasi uso sa concerts ngayon, 'di ba? Like put their phones and then put out their phones and then record ganun. Sa Japanese and K-pop culture yata bawal yung ganun. I'm not sure about K-pop, but sa Japanese concerts ganun talaga bawal yung phones. And I'm happy to see that in the PH crowd niya, nobody was using their phones to record or take pictures of the concert. Pero si Hikaru, she was like right next to me and then answering emails. Pero like wala, as in I was observing the crowd talaga from above, tinitingnan ko yung mga sa VIP pati sa wala talaga. Light sticks lang yung nakikita ko. Pero Gloco, bakit ka nag-take lang photo when it explicitly says doon sa what do you call this? Sa rules, doon na nakapaskil, laki-laki na nga, pinicturean mo pang hayop ka, Gloco, na bawal mag-photo before, during, and after the concert.
Sinabi ba doon? Before ba?
Nakalagay doon. Nakapaskil doon. Okay. I was dreadfully aware of it as well.
Why, bro?
So, here's the thing though. Okay. I was literally paid to fucking promote Ado okay, I have 2 TikTok videos to promote the Ado concert. Do you think I did not ask permission for that very, very seemingly, what do you call this, harmless photo of my feet
God!
and the fucking blurred out background?
Oh my God!
To give people a perspective lang of how how the fucking stage looks like on my POV.
You know what this feels like?
Ano yan?
Alam mo yung mga taong nagsasabi sa'yo nun? Sinabi nila, may commander damage, just double strike, putang ina mo, Gloco. Ikaw ang, I will attack you.
Okay.
Tapos ginamitan mo siyang instant.
Gloco 1, hater 0, man.
No. Here's the thing. Valid naman.
Okay, valid naman.
Like, valid naman. Like, parang, kasi...
sa perspective nila.
Valid lang. Okay, this is just me explaining kung bakit ko ginawa yun.
Bakit mo ginawa yun?
Does it make it right, Gloco, that you got the privilege to do that just because, Probably not. Probably they're still valid. Kaya parang, like, what makes you so special? Putang ina, ganun.
Because siguro, he's Gloco.
Siguro yung iniisip nila also na kung bakit. So, may valid naman yung nila, yung concerns nila, yung galit nila. Kasi, maybe they also wanted to take a photo, pero out of respect for like nakikita of the giant screen saying na bawal, hindi nila ginawa yun. Which it could have been parang what do you call this, they would have
memories,
away with
parang ganun.
Pang memories lang, pero hindi nila ginawa kasi alam nilang parang bawal. Pero for some reason this fucking this content creator was allowed ganyan. That's
unfair
para sa kanila.
It's unfair.
That's kind of unfair. That's kind of unfair. Okay.
Puta VIP kami
So,
ito.
And I think, sa mga concerts ni Ado before, parang, what they do is, ang pinakaano naman talaga nila is, they want people to be in the moment. Kaya, binabawalan nila yung phones. Other than, of course, ayaw nila madok si Ado, or parang, they don't want people shining lights on her. When it comes to like, during and after talaga, that's where it really, really matters. Pag before, it could still be harmless, pero parang it's good practice lang na you don't have your phone at all in the concert hall. Okay? Pero I don't know, I'll just take the L, I guess, for those who have valid concerns about me posting it kasi it's unfair. Sige, sure. But as long as what do you call this, na hindi ka take ng videos or photos and you didn't post anything during the concert or after, kasi baka may mga parts kasi si Ado nasa stage, lumalabas siya sa stage and you can still see her actual body going sa backstage. Okay? So kaya pati after hindi nila pinapa video kasi baka mahagip or something like that. The photo I took was like literally 30 minutes before the fucking the concert happened. So wala masyadong tao sa likod ko. But ayun, that's it. Yun lang. Also, if ever man talaga gusto ng future concert organizers na talagang wala talagang photo, may ginawa yung America before where they put it in a pouch, yung mga phones nila, and then in order to get their phones back, you have to what do you call this? Lock it. You have to go to another staff to unlock it. Parang ganun. Although, I think, nasa disiplina na rin ng mga tao yan. Nawala ako. Okay? Wala akong disiplina. Kasi, I'm not the right messenger for that. Pero that's fine. Na parang, W for the adult community here, na you don't need pouches to keep your phones out during the concert. So, yun lang. Alright.
Well explained, bro.
Any response?
It does resolve.
Resolve.
So I guess that answers, pero it doesn't really, could have just said that.
Yeah, it doesn't really solve anything.
Could have just said that dun sa comment section, bro.
I don't want to, bro.
It's like,
what the fuck?
Ask. That's fucked up. It's fucked up.
Nalin? Na what?
Wala lang. I'm just saying it's fucked up.
I-comment nyo na, I am paid.
No, that's it. Let them hate on me. I'll take it. Okay, it's fine. But
Damn, you like the hate.
Ayoko no, I don't want to like the hate. I don't want to invalidate there, no? Kasi I don't want to invalidate yung concerns nila. Kasi tama naman. Like, the only reason why I managed to post that, because like, I got the privilege
the go
to do
signal.
it.
You get the go signal.
Pero mali.
Pero parang, siguro, ang sasabihin na, Gloco, out of respect na lang siguro sa mga taong hindi dapat hindi mo na pinost. Like, that's valid. And at that time na pinost ko yun, I wasn't really thinking of that one as well. nung inano ko yun. I just wanted the permission na parang kasi bawal to. Pero hindi ko na yung parang, other people can't really do it or hindi talaga nila ginawa. Yeah, so I understand the rage. It's cool. Okay. I didn't even have to, dapat hindi mo na nang tinanong rin ko, dapat hindi mo na lang talaga ginawa. So yeah, it's it.
The dripping daw, tama.
I just wanted to show that time, I just wanted to show my my viewers like a context of where I am, like the environment I'm in. That's why blurred yung and just my feet. Yan.
Feet pic.
Yeah. That's it. So yeah, does this resolve for now?
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes,
Okay,
it
good.
does resolve.
That's it. Oh, yep. There you go. Do you guys have anything else you guys want to talk about or say?
No,
You're
I'm
good.
good.
It also resolves. Nice.
Just start na pala
Now-
na shift ko.
Oh shit. Sorry
Kanina
about
pa.
that. Anyways, do you guys, in terms of brain rot, you know who doesn't have brain rot? Our Patreons.
Patreons!
There you go.
Nice.
This guy does not have brain rot. This guy right now has fucking brain rot. Like he is Skibidoo Ohio Patreon. But we love them. We love them irregardless. Also, abangan nyo yung natin, mga posts namin about questions, the PR page namin. Kaya na sana may mga juicy answers kayo or takes about certain issues so that
Mga
we don't have
gyat
to we don't have to
questions.
like think about what to say, kayo na lang, and we're just gonna be like, damn, that's crazy, bro.
Damn, that's lazy, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
That's lazy, bro.
That's lazy, bro. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our weekly podcast. We are now in episode, I have no idea. And also, hopefully, nasa Spotify na to. If it is, then follow us on Spotify. Listen to us there when you're in the car
Just
or
search
you're
Pinoy's
playing
Podcast.
MTG. I don't know. Yeah. Awesome.
Shout out,
Let's go.
shout out sa
What?
mga taga-TAU, sa mga nakakita sa akin doon. Pag nakita niyo ako doon, kung naiiyak kayo, kung picture lang ako kung gusto niyo. I don't mind.
Shoutout sa MTG community.
Oh.
Nice. Amazing. All right. Skip ka yata. Okay, we good.